Hey guys.
Alright, so we tried doing live and it didn't work, so we're going to do a video of the snack crate from the Philippines. So you might be seeing this twice because we're going to put it on the Rummaging Russell's Pokemon channel and we're going to put it on the Pop channel. So yeah. So let's open this up. I should have opened it up before we even
Yeah,
started
enjoy
this.
being a kid.
Ow, my hair.
Why did they put too much tape on that? So no one can eat the snacks?
I would stuck it on the forehead.
Oh, it's from Turkey.
Turkey.
Oh,
Where's Turkey at?
it's the turkey you see in the woods.
Ah!
I was going to be from the Philippines, but that might be this one. But it's from Turkey. And we actually got this, but I've actually put it in the refrigerator already.
All right.
Pizza.
Those look good.
Okay, fun facts about Turkey. Not only does Turkey span 2 continents, so does Istanbul. It is divided in two by the mighty Bosphorus River. Istanbul's west bank lies on the European continent, while the east bank is in Asia. One of the oldest and largest markets in the world, Istanbul's Grand Bazaar welcomes up to 400,000 visitors a day. Wow. There are 82,693 mosques in Turkey. Turkey is home to some of the most beautiful mosques in the world, as about 99% of all Turks are Muslims. Istanbul hosts nearly 1 million stray cats. Many Turkish citizens view street animals as communally owned pets rather than traditional strays, and the country has a blanket, no kill, no capture policy.
That actually kind of looks good.
So you just feed all the cats. Don't care about picking them up. Don't care about capturing them. Although you may know Turkey for their coffee, 96% of the population drinks at least 1 cup of tea per day. Okay.
Is there chocolate in here?
Yeah, there's always chocolate in here. That's what's in this bag.
They never put it in that bag.
Well, they have been because it's summer.
I thought you said there was a drink.
There's a drink.
What is that?
It's Cheetos. I don't know. It looks like a weird looking cookie. The drink is right here.
Let's
Alright.
try the pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Alright, let's find it on here. Got a lot of stuff.
The pizza's right there.
Pizza cracker.
Ooh.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Crunchy, bite-sized crackers flavored with the same zesty seasoning and spices that you would find on your favorite freshly baked pizza.
Those look good too.
Turkish delights.
I hope there's not any hot stuff in there. It's just because can't eat it.
Weird. It's cold because it's been in the refrigerator. Mmm. Okay. Good.
Yeah, looks good. It feels like cheese pizza.
Mm-hmm.
John, is it good? I guess it's good to him.
I taste beer.
You taste it.
The only thing it tastes like is like a cheese. It's like a
You
cheese.
taste beer.
Right, because I took a sip of that.
Oh. Alright, that's a good.
That's on the good side. We're going to do the good and the bad side. So the bad side's on the end. John,
Fucking A.
pick that, pick that.
And that one right there.
Whatever this says, Ukler Hemimeller, an assortment of delicious fresh baked cookies made together to make the perfect accompaniment of a fresh cup of Turkish coffee. Okay, so that's gonna be freezing cold cookies. We had these in the refrigerator.
because of chocolate. So. And last video, the chocolate melted. That actually.
It's a vanilla biscuit.
It smells like shortbread.
That's what it looks like. Shortbread cookies. Different kind of cookies.
Yeah.
I got something else.
The cookie.
This is what.
It's just crack.
This is chocolate. That's
It's
pretty good.
shortbread.
Doesn't look good, pal. It tastes like bananas.
Mm.
Let's try these.
You want Cheetos?
Yeah.
Mini Cheeto shots. A Turkish spin on the American classic, these little bites feature the bold, cheesy flavor you know and love in an extra snackable shape. So it's cheese. Cheetos, just regular cheese. That's awesome. Looks like a piece of corn.
Can you eat those? No, no, for real. Last time we had chips like those, you couldn't eat it.
Ew. I just can't eat a ton of them. Little puff.
They look like one of those baby puffs. Is it good? Let's
Yeah.
call my mom.
It ain't my mom. It's probably,
Your sister.
it's probably no.
My mom won't take it 2 times, so.
I pass on them.
Me too.
Oh! You're doing the bad pal. Oh.
They don't taste nowhere near the same.
Nobody was coming in, so we decided to do a video and post it on both channels.
Those are not good.
What did Misty send a picture of?
So cute, thank you.
Oh, Dale's birthday.
Is it a baby?
No. September 7th.
Those candy right there looks like the candy from Dollar General, that sour candy.
Would be.
This one?
Really? Sour slipper things.
Might as well try them. I know it's olive oil and zesty Italian on it.
Yeah.
We only got one thing in the back.
Eclair City crackers. Whether on their own or with your favorite spread, the crispy texture and fresh flavors of thyme and olive oil make these biscuits irresistible.
So time.
Mm-hmm.
I got the olive oil right.
John, do you know what this looks like? It looks like one of those
Will you stop?
things. It looks like one of those things from like Walmart Rose. It looks like a regular cracker.
Ugh.
Oh no.
I don't like the taste of it.
I don't like the smell of it.
It tastes like I don't know what it tastes like, but it
Almost tastes like bacon.
let me see those, John.
What?
No.
These?
These should go in the bad side because they're nasty. The bad side goes over here, the good side goes there. That's good.
Ugh.
But it tastes right. This side tastes.
I'm not tasting no sour stuff right now. I already know what these stupid things taste like. The sour straw built things.
Well, me and John want to try them.
No, you
Not
don't.
right now.
Come on, later.
You can have them later. We ain't trying them. Trying stuff that we ain't seen before. I don't know why we try Cheetos. What's that?
Kit Kat.
You want a Kit Kat tat?
Yeah.
Cat tat. A cat cat tat. Nothing in this crate screams "Eat me now" more than a light, airy puff pastry overflowing with rich hazelnut filling. Oh, yeah, no.
Hazelnut.
Oh, that's
Ooh, orange carbonated soda.
It looks like a sparkling water.
The carbonated orange.
I am not
flavored
trying that.
drink.
It's sugar coated too, but it's kind of hard to see.
Yeah.
I'm not trying it.
I'm not.
Okay, give me a piece. A little piece.
So biscuity.
Oh, that was so nasty.
Drink your drink.
And a little bland, I like it. And dry.
What the heck is this?
It looks like one of those things from like those crisp games. I forgot what they're called.
It looks like that popcorn ball. The one that I think you told me you don't like these.
Y'all got
It's-
pixie
there it is.
sticks.
Huh?
Cause look, those are pixie sticks.
Gong honey and mustard. A healthy and delicious puffed corn and rice snack featuring the harmonious flavors of sweet and tangy honey mustard.
I tried that.
Yep.
Brady would try it. She loves mustard. You need help, Don? There are two in there.
There's 3.
Just a rice patty cake.
John, what those things called? They're like, they got chocolate and vanilla and stuff.
It's rice cake.
Yeah, rice cake. It looks like rice. It actually kind of tastes like, it actually kind of smells like mustard. Oh, these are good.
Mm-hmm.
It just tastes like mustard. These are really good.
Oh. I'm having to do this because my back's hurting.
Can you try that banana?
A banana.
Yeah.
I know it looks like a banana. Don't put stuff on my head.
I really did not.
Hop cake banana. A dessert lover's dream. This soft, sweet sponge cake is filled with banana cream and dipped in rich milk chocolate. Stop it.
Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna put it in half. 10 out of 10.
Would not recommend.
Yeah, we do recommend.
How come it looks like a donut?
Tastes like banana. Good.
Damn. Here you go, Meg.
It's good.
Oh, it's sweet.
Mhm.
It's rich.
Because the chocolate's rich. A 10 out of 10.
It's good too.
It's like banana bread.
Mm-hmm. Biscrim cocoa. Crush those cocoa cravings and indulge yourself with a perfect combination of crunchy biscuit and creamy chocolate filling. Okay.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, chocolate to make it good. It ain't hazelnut.
Not that good. This tastes banana bread.
That is all it tastes right now. Banana. There's a little bit of chocolate right there.
It looks like gum.
What? The fruit toffee candy, apparently.
Well, our last box we had, some of the stuff that got like, they're like pixie sticks.
Not pixie sticks.
Look about those. They look like,
That's not a pixie stick.
I know, but they
A
look like
potato.
Or
Really?
ketchup. Can we try those?
Taco!
Tacos!
Crispy top potato sticks featured a mix of savory, vibrant, and slightly spicy flavors, made to snack a spectacular choice of all. If it's spicy, you can't eat it.
Can't eat it.
What's it spicy? Ah!
Don't smell it spicy.
Just a potato stick.
Yeah.
Probably not. Let me see, John.
No spice.
Okay.
They just look like pixie sticks.
You don't know what a pixie stick is, then apparently. Pixie
Yes,
sticks
it
is a
is.
daggone sugary candy.
I know, but it looks like one,
Yeah,
but it
it's
doesn't
the one
have.
where you cut the straw open,
I
pour
know
it
when
out,
you
and
oh God. No, we're not sporting candy.
Let me try the ketchup.
I ain't trying no ketchup and mayonnaise daggone potato stick.
You don't like mayonnaise?
Not by itself. I don't like ketchup.
Not because
either
she
way.
don't like mayonnaise. Don't think she, when she makes her sandwiches, just with ham and that's it.
It's some that are ketchup and mayonnaise flavor.
They look good too.
A unique mixture of zesty ketchup and creamy mayonnaise combined to give these crispy potato sticks an undeniably flavor worth savoring.
Excuse me. Excuse me. They smell like ketchup.
no,
What they smell like?
I don't know.
It's like a regular potato stick.
Ugh, stinks. Oh no.
I barely taste anything.
That just tastes like a potato stick to me.
Oh no. That goes in the bad part. No.
It don't have no flavor to it to me.
It has like this bad like mayonnaise and ketchup real like
And, what is it? Oh, they're candies. They're like sour candies.
Mm.
Chewy. Size doesn't matter, but a big burst of fruity flavor certainly does. Enjoy either the tropical or sour version of this lightly chewy candy. I think we got the sour version.
You okay, John?
Mhm.
John got that cough. He probably got Jessica's cold.
He's been having a cough.
Why do they look like that candy that you got?
Like M&Ms.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like that candy that I got. The
Ow! My tooth. Wrong tooth though, but ow!
Why crunch on it?
But you stupid tooth.
oh, those are nasty.
Uh-huh. Ow. Gotta make my tooth hurt now.
Ugh,
It tastes like Starburst.
Yeah.
but a different kind of. Tastes nasty. It tastes like.
It Ain't
biscuit.
sour.
No.
Want to try that since there's only one, or just wait?
Oh, my back.
Itchy Puff. A crunchy vanilla biscuit is topped with creamy marshmallow and covered with an abundance of fun and colorful candy sprinkles. Okay.
Oh.
I'll let you, Maggie, split that one.
I don't want it.
Me and John split it. You can't even split it.
It's a marshmallow, that's why.
Bro.
Just eat it.
No. That's nothing.
We'll put it back in this. And put that other nasty junk in there, too.
What, this?
Yes, don't leave it on the floor. So the rest of this is daggone chewy stuff.
We'll try that later.
I think we had that before.
Yeah.
But this one's got nuts and hazelnut filling.
Where is it?
How about we try this? We haven't tried this yet.
That ain't even on this. Oh, it's right there.
Okay.
This one has peanut butter. That one does. The one that's on here has peanut butter.
Okay.
I ain't gonna tell you what it is, because that's just gonna say the wrong thing, because we supposed to got the peanut butter one, not chocolate one. But it's hazelnut cream.
Yeah.
But you didn't want to try it right now, but I'm definitely not eating that.
I'm not in that either.
This is a crocodile.
Well,
A
fine.
chewy
All I hear
crocodile.
is whiners.
Can I open it?
No!
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh, stinks.
No.
It's rich.
The rest is just like chewy
Gummies
candy.
and chewy candies. We still got stuff in here.
It's chocolate, I guess.
Boombastic.
I'm definitely not trying that.
Rumble your taste buds with this rich chocolate bar featuring a crunchy wafer shell, crispy rice, and smooth hazelnut cream. Something else I'm not eating.
You allergic to that?
No! I don't like hazelnut.
I don't either.
Have you ever tried hazelnut?
Huh?
Have you ever tried
No,
hazelnut?
but it's nasty.
Ugh.
That was nasty. Look at that big white bag.
This is some ice pack.
I got an ice pack. So it just melted in the truck.
Try it.
Or just get a whole big old piece. Eat the thing, don't just.
That's nasty.
Let's
Ain't that
try
bad.
this orange drink.
It looks like sparkling water.
It's not. This refreshing carbonated soda is ideal for quenching your thirst on a hot summer day and features the sweet and zesty flavors of freshly squeezed oranges.
We don't have no cup. Oh, I can just. So I don't have to sip it. Smell like beer?
Why would it smell like beer?
Cause I could send you some beer stuff. Is it sparkling water?
Orange juice.
Sunkus.
Sunkissed. Yeah, it's Sunkissed. Or Fanta. Orange soda.
The kind of tastes like. Oh, please don't, please don't, please don't.
It's Sunkissed.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Y'all crazy. Alright, next. Let's see what's coming out of this bag. What is this?
We're just kids, so you know.
Pistachio stick. This decadent milk chocolate bar is filled with pieces of the highest quality pistachios harvested from the southeast region of Turkey. It's it for him.
That's all John. Oh, excuse me. That's actually pretty good. It actually kind of tastes like orange Fanta or a sparkling orange. I'm just looking at it.
It looked like it melted during the trip.
Oh yeah.
They need to keep like this in like the truck so we could like, why the air conditioner?
I put it in the refrigerator.
No, wait.
All it tastes is chocolate.
Let me see it.
Because they're probably down at the bottom.
That's not.
No, it's just hazelnut. There's a pistachio right there.
It's better without this pistachios.
Lord. Alright, let's see what's in this. What is this?
But I know it's rich because it tastes rich.
Handgun. Satisfy your wildest cravings with this energy-filled candy bar. Enjoy a satisfying combo of peanuts, smooth caramel, and silky chocolate. So, a Snicker bar.
I checked my phone.
That don't look like a Snicker bar, but it's a Snicker bar.
Oh, it looks like something you throw in the.
Okay.
I can't do any more chocolate.
No.
Some chocolate I just don't like to eat all the time.
It's good.
I know Jessica can because she bought a big bag of Reese's Pieces. A Reese's cup.
What does it taste like?
Snicker
Snickers?
bar.
Okay.
Just the white one that's in there.
The white one.
This one. Because that actually kind of looks.
I'll say white, but it wants the bar.
Ew. That looks like a. What you call those? Coconut bar.
That's what it is.
I hate coconut bars.
Uh-huh.
Do you eat coconut bars?
Malted Bomba. Tiny bits of aerated milk chocolate united together and filled with sweet coconut filling, then dipped in another layer of rich chocolate.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that.
Can I pull one out?
Because I'm burned out on chocolate.
This actually kind of looks like what we have at the store.
No.
But it looks good though. You can't get to go down and get some drink.
I'm trying to get it to go over here. I don't want that.
That's up your alley, John.
Ooh, this is basically a Milky Way. A popular favorite of Turkish children and adults, this sweet and crunchy biscuit bar is covered in caramel and then dipped in rich milk chocolate. Y'all want to try it?
Me.
Apparently she does.
Ooh.
Two more things in here.
It kind of looks like this. It looks like that.
Raspberry.
Oh.
Whoa.
No, my back's throbbing right now.
I could eat this all day.
You can have it, I don't care.
Ooh, it's
I'm going to
good.
leave you two at it.
Well, we're just going to do these two because the rest of this is just going to be like it's just chewy stuff.
I don't. But
Um,
John, you really need to try this. It's really good.
Not right now.
You'll try it later. Metro, this ooey gooey and chewy nougat bar is topped with peanuts loaded with sweet caramel and covered in thick layer of smooth chocolate.
Ew. I'm not trying nothing else. But I do want this.
Well, eat them then. I don't care. Eat a bill.
You know, These are the cool things back in the day.
Look at what.
Back in the day.
Yeah, these
Back in the
candy right
day.
here were the back in the day thing, and they're still at my alley.
You're talking about like you older than us.
Yeah. I'm born like in the old days. Yeah, you feel me?
What the heck? That was good. And now this, I ain't eating this, but I'm just gonna tell you about it.
Oh, I gotta say something after him.
This delicious chocolate is filled with luscious blackberry jelly, perfect for snack time, dessert, or anytime you need a sweet treat on the go. Sure you don't want no blackberry jelly?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that bell, and hit that thumbs up. And go play some Roblox.
No.
I go watch some
Check out our other channel. If you're watching this on Rummaging Russell's, check out my pop channel, Jessica's Pops. Or if you're watching this on Jessica's Pops, check out Rummaging Russell's. We do Pokemon cards on there. The pop channel, we do Funko Pop. I do Funko Pops, and whenever I can get some more.
and the Pokemon is Go. Bye guys. Can I stop it?
I don't care.